Welcome back. Porvorim police arrested 11 people and rescued 5 girls from Darjeeling in Lotus Beauty Saloon and Spa raid. Surprisingly, one of the arrested is famous Marathi film actor Jenda fame Sachit Patil. Cops raided establishment following complaint of prostitution in guise of spa treatment. Mapsa JMFC has ordered 5 days police custody to Lotus employees. Sachit Patil and one more customer have been granted conditional bail. They will have to mark their presence in police station for 7 consecutive days. The police raid was conducted on Thursday night at Lotus Beauty Saloon and Spa situated at Chogam Road in Porvorim. There were complaints of prostitution activities at the spa. Famous Marathi film director, writer and actor Sachit Patil was arrested by the police. Yes, you are right. He acted in the famous Marathi films like the Jenda and Arjun. Look at him. Here are the exclusive visuals of his arrest. Police are inquiring with him. He has been arrested as a customer at the beauty saloon. Police apprehended him from the spa. Sachit was down in Goa for his work. On Thursday evening, he visited this spa in Porvorim. On that very day, police raided the spa. Police have arrested owner of the spa, Harikant Mishra, manager, sweeper and security guard of Lotus Spa. Other arrested were Sachit Patil and Chalpati Rao Dimit, who were customers of spa that night. 5 girls from Darjeeling were also rescued. Other vehicles of violence or quote accompanied police during the raid.
This massage parlor has been in the limelight for a long time. Now the modus operandi is that under the facade of running a massage parlor, something else goes on. The girls are actually victims. They are brought from somewhere else and made to work in a place where they cannot even communicate with anybody. And God knows what the working conditions are. They are all made to sit in a small cubicle after they finish their whatever activity they are made to do. Then there is no recreation place or anything, and the working conditions are very bad.
Mapsa JMFC has remanded the employees of Lotus to 5 days police custody, whereas Sachit Patil and another customer have been granted conditional bail. Court feels that it was needless to keep the accused customers under remand for interrogation. Police informed that when they were arrested, the duo were found in a compromising position. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar, reporter Pratik Parab and video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. In a tragic incident on Friday evening, a private bus ran over an old lady. Her leg was completely smashed on the tires of a bus. She has been identified as Anjani Shirodkar of Shioli. This incident occurred at KTC bus stand in Panji. It was the negligent act of the bus driver. An old lady was overrun by a private bus at KTC bus stand on Friday. She is Anjani Shirodkar of Shioli. The bus ran over her leg, leaving the old lady breathless. It was for 15 minutes that the lady was stranded at the bus stand. This is the fate of public at the KTC bus stand in Panji. There are no ambulances to give any medical aid, nor is there any police help to the public. This fact came to light when the lady was unaided for 15 minutes. There was no ambulance nor any help from the police. This old lady, Anjali Shirodkar, was spotted some months back when she had come to meet Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in Panji. She had only one request to make to the CM, to avail her the DSS scheme. After long 15 minutes, the ambulance arrived at the spot with the police jeep. She was then shifted to GMC for treatment. There are too many curves and unmanaged traffic. Buses have their own way of parking their buses. The roads are full of potholes, to which the drivers opt for an easy and smooth road. During peak hours of morning and evening, there is no monitoring of the traffic. Senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. The Shiroda molestation case is far from getting resolved. Following arrest of the accused teacher, father of the victim girl claims that his daughter was forced and pressurized by the headmistress of the school to file complaint against the accused teacher Yogesh Khandeparkar. He has claimed this in a letter addressed to the secretary of the school. Prudent has the copy of this letter. Here's a report.
Have a look. This letter was sent by the father of the girl student to the secretary of the school. It was sent on 16th August 2012. Father said, on 13th August 2012, headmistress of the school, Sushma Mhadei, along with the peon, came to my house and pressurized my mother and daughter to give complaint against the teacher Yogesh Khandeparkar. What father revealed further was shocking. He said, Mhadei dictated the complaint in Marathi and asked my daughter to write in her own handwriting. Due to the pressure, my daughter wrote it. Following complaint, the accused Yogesh Khandeparkar was arrested by Ponda police on Thursday at Bori for allegedly molesting a minor student. Khandeparkar was suspended from the job on 29th August. However, father claims that headmistress forced his daughter to file complaint on 14th August. The whole episode is taking a complex turn. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.